General overview and navigation for the Story Publisher app. Story Publisher ADV or SPadv
is designed to enable other language speakers, no matter where they live, to translate, produce, and distribute their own beautiful Bible story videos, enhanced with their local language, art, and music.
Sohis na tihaw karisahay on be ilaita te kunele.
SP app users move from top to bottom through a flexible translation process before dramatizing and creating local videos. Finally, these locally produced videos can be shared offline with their local communities and online to diaspora groups. Once in the app, the general navigation is simple and intuitive. To move between the 7 translation and production phases, swipe up and down. There is a slight delay, so wait a second after swiping once to move only one phase at a time. Another way to move between phases is to use the drop-down menu located top right of each phase screen. Tap on the phase you want to move to. The last 3 production phases are locked and not available for use until the translated story has been approved by an accuracy checker. Only accuracy checkers, trainers and technicians are allowed access to the password which unlocks these phases. The 4 middle phases, from Translate to Voice Studio, all have picture slides which can be navigated to by swiping left and right. It helps me to visualize these phases and slides laid out like a grid. When I move to a different phase from a certain slide, I will remain on that slide. Each slide has a number in the lower right corner of the picture. When you are at the end of the story, slide to the right one more time and you will be back at the title slide, page 0. Tap the 3-line menu icon, available top left of each screen, to open a sidebar menu from which you can access other items by tapping the option you are interested in. A help document is available for each phase. Tap the question mark located top right to open helpful information for that particular phase. Scroll to read the entire document. Tap Close to return to the phase screen. The help documents include much of the same information that is in these training videos.